bwyd yn cael ei gynhyrchu ddim wastad yn ffeindio'i ffordd i y bobl yma yn y sir, a felly dyn ni wedi bod yn gweithio i ail-greu mewn gwirionedd y cysylltiadau yna rhwng cynhyrchu a bobl yn bwyta, yn enwedig o ran y plat gyhoeddus. So, dyn ni'n siarad am ysgolion, dyn ni'n siarad am gartrefi gofal, dyn ni'n siarad gobeithio maes o law hefyd am ysbytai a llefydd eraill hefyd. So, bod y bwyd sy'n cael ei gynhyrchu yma yn y sir, gymaint a phosib ohono fe, yna i plant ni, pobl mewn oedran, a bob un ohono ni sy'n defnyddio ac yn bwyta o fewn y sector gyhoeddus.
Bwyd Sugar Food is a collaborative cross-sector partnership bringing together public sector anchor institutions from the county with private sector representatives and community sector representatives to really get that holistic approach to developing the local food system. We are looking at using public land to grow for the public plate, and then looking at shared processing and aggregation facilities to be able to find those routes to market collectively.
Public procurement is a really good tool we're using here to get high quality, fresh, nutritious and sustainable food across the county into our schools and care homes. That ties really in nicely with a lot of our work around menu development in schools and building on years of work up to this point by the partnership and partners.
Gweledigaeth y Cyngor Sir yw bod y plant a'r hen bobl yn bennaf, ond bod pawb yn y sir yn gallu bwyta bwyd sydd wedi I dyfu mor agos a phosib at I cartrefi neu mannau gwaith nhw. Dyn ni'n cychwyn gyda camau bach gyda ysgolion a chartrefi bobl hŷn ac yn y blaen, ond yr ethos ydy y dylen ni gyd gael mynediad at y bwyd sydd wedi tyfu yn agos iawn ar lle dyn ni'n byw.
Growing veg here at Bremenda and demonstrating what's possible really in an area like the Towie Valley. We are in the middle of a nature and climate emergency, and anything that we can do to enhance biodiversity on farms is a really welcome thing. And then of course we can invite people onto the farm and show them over time what that biodiversity enhancement looks like.
Local is what we're all about, and it's really hard to get local food, and so finding people that are growing vegetables locally is becoming more difficult all of the time. Having Bremenda so close as well, that they're growing on such a scale that we can use that and we can rely on the kind of quantities that they're bringing in. The freshness is fantastic and the flavour is fantastic, and it keeps the money local too, and just imagine what it would be like having more Bremendas all over the place, where all of your veggies coming in local, seasonal and grown in a nature-friendly way.